Understanding the quota system in educational and professional settings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the term quota system. This phrase is often used in educational and professional contexts, and understanding it can be crucial for both personal and academic development. So, let's dive in and explore this concept together. A quota system refers to a method used by organizations and institutions to ensure diversity or to fulfill a certain requirement by allocating a fixed number or percentage for particular groups. It's like reserving seats on a bus. Certain spots are set aside for specific reasons. This system can be based on various factors such as ethnicity, gender, or socioeconomic background. The quota system has its roots in policies aimed at addressing inequalities and promoting inclusiveness. It's a way to open doors for underrepresented groups by ensuring they have a fair chance at education and employment opportunities that they might have been historically denied. Quota systems can be seen in action in universities' admissions processes or in job recruitments. For example, a university may have a quota for students from rural areas, or a company might have a quota for hiring veterans. These systems use specific criteria to give a fair chance to those who meet them. Like any policy, quota systems come with their advantages and disadvantages. They can promote diversity and help reduce disparities, but they can also lead to debates about fairness and merit. It's important to examine both sides to understand the impact of these systems fully. Around the world, quota systems vary greatly. Some countries have strict quotas for higher education and governmental positions, while others use them more subtly. Understanding these differences is key to recognizing the global complexity of the term. Thank you for watching our exploration of the quota system. We hope this video has shed light on this important concept and its role in shaping diverse and inclusive communities. Remember, learning new terms not only expands your vocabulary but also your understanding of the world. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.